welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the length function in R. Okay, so the length function had only one argument, a factor or another R object, and this function simply returns the number of elements in that factor or R object. So I'm going to make an arbitrary factor of length 1000. Okay, and then when I run the length function, I should get the 1000 returned to me. Okay, and this is useful for flexibly running for loops, so you can iterate for however long the factor you're using is. So let's say I want a running average. The running average, and for right now, that's simply going to be a bunch of zeros as long as the length of x. So, it's 1000 zeros dictated by the length of x. Okay, and now I'm going to create a for loop. So, I'm going to use the iterator I in 1 to the length of x. And now I'm going to create my running average. The running average I okay, then that's going to be the mean of x from 1 to the current index I. Okay. As the loop runs longer, the value of the mean to converge to 0, the mean of a standard normal. So now that I've run it, I'm going to do plot 1 to that length of x, so length of x, and then I'm going to do running average, so the number of x values being averaged and that average. And I'm going to go ahead and add labels so that's more clear. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do avline, and I want to add a line at 0. Okay, so we can see that as the number of values being averaged increases, the running average converges closer and closer to the 0. And I think perhaps we want a better running average that actually converges to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and increase x to 100 times that. But now I do not need to change any of my code. It will all just run. Running average. And I went too far back, didn't I? Plot. And my computer's a bit mad at me. Okay. Now add the line 2. But you'll notice that when I change the number, when I change the length of X, I did not need to modify any of my other code, because I did not hard code the length of X. I just specified the length, take whatever the length of X is, and incorporate it into code. And now you can see that running average starting off way off and then converting to 0, as you would expect from a standard normal distribution. Okay. So I also have another example on my website, although it is of course quite basic, but that's the value of length. Using length, it allows you to make your code more flexible and stop it from breaking. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.